Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. So welcome back to my weekly 5 in 5 series where I share 5 quick tips in just 5 minutes on decluttering, simple living, and also minimalism. So in addition to being the Downsizing Designer, I'm also the proud grandmother of 2 beautiful little granddaughters. And watching my daughter-in-law and my son navigate this particular time of their life, it brings back so many wonderful memories, mostly good, the love, the laughter, and then there was also that complete exhaustion. And I do remember that. So if you're a young mother, this episode is, of my 5 in 5 is dedicated to you in hopes that it will help you. In this video, I'm going to share 5 gentle, realistic ways that you can make decluttering part of your daily life, even when your energy is low and your time is scarce. These aren't rigid rules. They are just flexible habits that will meet you exactly where you are. So my first tip is to stack it into something you're already doing. So the challenge is that you don't have time to start something new. Instead of creating a brand new routine, piggyback decluttering into something that you're already doing. So for example, while waiting for the bottle to warm or the tub to fill, toss in one item from a drawer that no longer fits. So this tiny step, it's simple, it's easy, and it's doable. The second tip is to start and end your day with tidying up as a small task. Your day is full and it's, satisfying the needs for everybody else and the feeding and the naps and so forth. So try this. Pick one simple action to do when you wake up and one simple action before you go to bed. It could be something as simple as clearing off your nightstand in the morning or folding a few sheets at night before you go to bed. It's not about productivity. It's about that peace of mind that you feel. Anchoring your day with these small rituals brings a sense of peace and also calm. My third tip is keep a toss basket in plain sight. So one of the challenges is you spot clutter, but you don't have a free hand to deal with it. So if you try this, just set a small basket in a visible spot where you can drop things in that you no longer need or use. So it could be the outgrown onesies, the extra pacifiers, just toss them in. And that one small habit, and once a week, then just empty it. So this habit takes just seconds, but it will make a difference over a period of time. My fourth tip is to celebrate the small wins. So obviously you're challenged because you don't feel like you're getting anywhere sometimes. And at the end of the week, you reflect on a few of the things that you've decluttered. Maybe it was a drawer, a stack of mail, a basket of baby clothes. Acknowledge that and name it. And momentum builds when you pause even for a minute to celebrate at any of the progress, regardless of how big or how small. And my last tip today is to be gentle with yourself. So the challenge there is you feel behind on just about everything. So if you try this, don't beat up on yourself. Take the pressure off. This is all new to you, and you're doing your best. So minimalism isn't about going crazy about this, and it's not a race. It's actually a mindset. So even thinking about decluttering is progress. So keep your goals flexible, your expectations kind, and also realistic. And focus on creating a space that supports your lifestyle right now, not one that adds to any stress. It doesn't have to be perfect. So you don't need to be perfect and just give yourself permission to start small. So these tips are meant to add more to your, they're not meant to add more to your plate. They're meant to help you lighten things up. And if you want additional support, check out the Essentials Checklist for simplifying your life. It's just $2.99, and it's in the link below. They're perfect for new moms who need a gentle guide. So if this was helpful, please like, subscribe to my channel, help us grow, and also share it with someone else you think might need it. So there you have it for this week, with doable tips to help you create a calm, clutter-free space, and maybe one nap at a time.